Hello, welcome to Excel tutorial. Today I'll show you how to install Plesk in Digitalocean server. So before starting, if you are not a subscriber of my channel, please subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon so you will get all of the next update. Thank you. So let's start how to install Plesk in Digitalocean server. This is my Digitalocean server. So I'll create a droplet. Click here, create droplet. Okay, here's the distribution, Ubuntu, Fedora, Debian, etc. But to install the Plesk, just go to the marketplace and scroll down for Plesk server. Here's the Plesk. Plesk for CentOS 7 and the Plesk for Ubuntu 18.04. I will install Plesk in Ubuntu. So select the Plesk Ubuntu 18.04 and scroll down. Here is the choose plan starter general purpose. I say demo server, so I will create the starter plan, and cost should be $5 per month. Here's the option to region. I'm choosing the New York. You can choose any of the region from the list. Then select the additional options. You can select the private networking IPv6. I'm selecting IPv6 and the SSH authentication. This is my authentication. I already installed this SSH, generate the SSH from my desktop. In next video, in one video I'll show you how to generate the SSH key. Okay, scroll down. Here's a chosen name of the droplet. You can change the name or keep it default. It's better to change the name as like that as the domain name. So it's a demo purpose, so I am selecting the keep it as default. You can say you can add the tag, the select project. Here's the list of project. You can create a project for this droplet, or I have several projects, so I select one from the list. You can enable backup, but I'm ignoring this for now. So let's create the droplet. It will take some time to create the droplet, so let's wait to complete the setup. Okay, droplet setup is done. This is the IP address and this is the Plesk droplet. So let's go to the droplet. Here is my droplet information, and let's copy the IP and click paste. It will not show anything because the setup is not complete yet. So to complete the setup, just you have to log in the SSH. Just I'm using Windows, so to log in the SSH, I have to I install the putty config putty. You can download putty from the website. I will show a tutorial how to download and install putty, and also how to generate a SSH key using putty. So in this tutorial, I am not showing this. Okay, just now copy paste the IP here. Okay, my Plesk server is ready. So I have to install the login the SSH and generate the Plesk login URL. Or okay, just click the SSH and the auth, browse. You can browse the SSH key PPK. I already generated the PPK for my from my PC. So just open and click open. Okay, click yes, and I'm logging as root.wt. Okay, I just logged into my new droplet. Here's some information. Please check control panel. You can log in using this URL, and or you can generate a login URL, temporary login URL. Just add the command sudo plesk login. Okay, I'm adding the okay, I'm logging using the colon 8448 8443, sorry, 8443. Okay, this is not a secure connection, so it's showing the warning. Just first time click the advanced and proceed to unsafe. It is installing the Plesk server and backend, so you have to wait for a few minutes. Let's take some time. And another way you can log in the Plesk by using the command sudo Plesk login. This is the temporary login URL. If you don't know what is the login URL and you don't know the exact way, just copy the URL, last URL, and paste it here. I'm copying the copy to clipboard, paste. This is here is the this is one is my last URL. Click enter. Same, because the server is not ready yet. We have to wait a few minutes. Okay, it's done. Replaying finish. Your page will redirect automatically after 10 seconds. So we have to wait the 10 seconds or just click the reload page. It's reloading the page and the setup screen will come now. Okay, here is the setup screen. You can add your contract name. This is actually the Plesk admin section login information. You can change it as you want. You logged in using your credential. You can use admin or something else, any username. Just this is a test server, so I am using the keep it admin and using an email address and the password. You can generate the password. Okay, I'm copying the password in a new tab. Confirm, enter Plesk. Keep remember the information, so if you forget then you can't access this admin panel. Okay, it will take some more time to finalize the setup. Let's wait. Okay, setup is done. It still redirect the admin panel. Okay, this is the admin panel of Plesk. So our setup is complete. Now you have to configure add the domain and have to configure the Plesk security. I'll show it in the next video. So thank you for watching.